Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting video where we will be comparing two popular kitchen appliances. We have the COSORI Air Fryer Pro and the COSORI Toaster Oven Air Fryer combo. So let's jump right in. When it comes to design, both products have a sleek and modern look. The COSORI Air Fryer Pro features a compact design, taking up minimal counter space. It has a 5-quart cooking capacity, perfect for serving 1 to 4 people. On the other hand, the COSORI Toaster Oven Air Fryer combo offers a larger capacity of 26 quarts, making it suitable for bigger families. It can fit up to 6 slices of bread, a 12-inch pizza, or a 5-pound whole chicken. When it comes to cooking functions, both products offer a wide range of options. The COSORI Air Fryer Pro features 9 one-touch cooking functions, including preheating and personalized shake reminders. It allows you to create a variety of delicious meals with ease. On the other hand, the COSORI Toaster Oven Air Fryer combo offers more than 12 functions, such as air frying, roasting, baking, broiling, and toasting. It gives you the versatility to explore various cooking techniques and recipes. Cleaning kitchen appliances can be a hassle, but both products offer convenience in this aspect. The COSORI Air Fryer Pro comes with a non-stick basket that is dishwasher safe. It is made without BPA and PFOA, ensuring easy cleaning and safe cooking. Similarly, the COSORI Toaster Oven Air Fryer combo features an external removable crumb tray to prevent mess and a non-stick food tray that is easy to clean. In terms of smart features, both products offer advanced technology to enhance your cooking experience. The COSORI Air Fryer Pro comes with an included cookbook of 30 original recipes by COSORI R&D chefs and access to additional recipes on the free VSync app. It allows you to easily browse and try new recipes. On the other hand, the COSORI Toaster Oven Air Fryer combo takes it a step further, allowing you to control the oven through the VSync app or even by connecting to Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. You can make meals at the touch of a button or enjoy hands-free control. And that's a wrap for our comparison between the COSORI Air Fryer Pro and the COSORI Toaster Oven Air Fryer combo. Both products offer great features and functionality, but the choice ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. We hope you found this video helpful in making an informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.